Would you get down? We're going to be late for Paula Ximena's birthday.
I hope there will be cheese at Paula Ximena's birthday party. You know how much I like cheese.
Happy birthday, Paula Ximena.
Happy birthday, Paula Ximena.
Happy birthday, Paula Ximena.
Happy birthday, my friend Paula Ximena.
Happy birthday, Paula Ximena.
Breaking news. It's Paula Ximena's birthday today? And in other news, scientists prove that cats are smarter than dogs. There's no way you could get 8 cats to pull a sled through the snow.
Happy birthday, Paula Ximena.
Happy birthday, Paula Ximena.
Happy birthday, Paula Ximena. Happy birthday, Paula Ximena.
Happy birthday, Paula Ximena.
Happy birthday, Paula Ximena. Happy birthday, Paula Ximena.
I have studied many philosophers and many cats. The wisdom of cats is infinitely superior.
Please subscribe, give us a like, and share this video, so we can grow our happy little community of cat lovers. Now, let's get Paula Ximena's party started.